Two camshafts now installed. The rope sitting pointing out. The inlet lobe pointing back to the back engine. No setup pins, the valve timing before that. We'll change the water pump. This needs to be changed. Right, that's the water pump. You need to replace the water pump. Now we're going to install the timing belt tensioner. Put it into our slot. And the screw. Nut. Just slide up and down. Yeah, that's her. Next step, reinstall the electronic pickup. Before you put on the water pump, make sure the wire's in the back here. Okay, that's the next step. Now, that's the pump installed, the timing chain tensioner, timing belt tensioner, and the idle pulley. Next job now will be tighten up the manifold here. There are two studs in it, top and bottom here. Two top and bottom here, one there, same on the bottom. So we tighten up in the manifold, fit the injection system. Then we'll set up the timing in, two sprockets and the timing belt, and we'll lock in the two cams to do the valve timing. So next job now is to do up these studs nuts on the inlet manifold.